Hey there, DIY enthusiasts and tool aficionados. Are you always on the lookout for the latest and greatest tools to elevate your projects? Well, today is your lucky day. We've curated the ultimate list of 16 must-have tools that will revolutionize the way you work. So let's dive right in. Number 1. The TR Industrial Forestry Safety Helmet and Hearing Protection System, priced at $27.30, is a versatile 5-in-1 safety solution catering to forestry-related tasks. This multifunctional gear includes a helmet, adjustable earmuffs, a plastic visor, and a mesh visor, offering dynamic protection against chainsaws, brush cutters, and trimmers. With a noise reduction rating (SNR) of 26 dB, its earmuffs ensure substantial noise reduction, ideal for high-noise environments. The helmet's secure fit, adjustable from 20 to 24.5 inches, is facilitated by a convenient dial knob, ensuring a personalized and snug feel. Lightweight, interchangeable mesh and plastic visors shield against debris while maintaining visibility and comfort. Overall, this safety helmet provides essential protection and adaptability for those prioritizing safety and convenience during forestry and related tasks.
Number 2. Priced at $259.83, the Worn handheld portable drill winch stands out as a robust and versatile tool, offering increased pulling power and 33% more rope than previous models. This durable winch is an asset for diverse heavy-duty tasks like log dragging, gain pulling, wall construction, fence stretching, and trailer loading. Available with steel or synthetic rope options, this toolbox essential boasts a 750 pounds single-line pulling capacity and is compatible with a standard portable drill. Its package includes 40 feet of steel or synthetic rope, an integrated hose fairlead, and front and rear rigging hooks. Lightweight, portable, and powerful, this winch is a valuable solution for demanding pulling jobs, delivering reliability and efficiency in various work scenarios.
Number 3. The Top G Leather Tool Vest, priced at $84.69, represents a durable and innovative replacement for the conventional carpenter's tool belt. Crafted from heavy-duty 0.2-inch thick top-grain buffalo leather and 1000D Cordura fabric, this vest ensures long-lasting reliability in rugged work settings. Its design focuses on user comfort and practicality. The open front and back configuration promotes airflow, alleviating stress on the hips. Equipped with 33 pockets and holders, it accommodates a wide array of essential tools, from pencils and pliers to hammers and more. The vest's versatility is enhanced by heavy-duty maul straps for additional pouches, along with a drill holster and nail leather tool pouch. Additionally, its fully adjustable straps cater to waist sizes from 32-inch to 52-inch, offering a comfortable, customizable fit. The Top G Leather Tool Vest stands as a functional, robust, and ergonomic solution for professionals seeking improved tool organization and comfort during work. Number 4. The Klein Tools KT155 HD Heavy-Duty 6-in-1 Lineman's Ratcheting Wrench, priced at $102.83, stands as a highly versatile and efficient tool, consolidating 6 sizes into a single unit. It incorporates 3/4 inch, 13/16 inch, 1 inch, and 1 to 1/8 inch combination square socket sizes, along with 9/16 inch and 3/4 inch hex sizes, addressing a broad spectrum of utility pole hardware needs. Specifically engineered to handle various common utility pole hardware like lag bolts, C-clamps, and suspension bolts, this wrench is a go-to choice for lineman tasks. Its integrated handle not only ensures durability but also provides a non-slip grip, guaranteeing both endurance and user comfort. Compact yet multifunctional, the Klein Tools KT155 HD Ratcheting Wrench offers lineman professionals a reliable, all-in-one solution, streamlining tasks and enhancing efficiency by consolidating multiple sizes into a single, robust tool.
Number 5. The Hurricane 1000-volt insulated electrician screwdriver set, available at $23.99, offers a comprehensive array of 13 CRV insulated screwdrivers, featuring a variety of magnetic tips including Phillips, slotted, positive, and Torx. These screwdrivers are VD and GS certified, ensuring a safety standard of up to 1000 volts, making them a reliable choice for electrical work, prioritizing user safety. Constructed from durable chrome vanadium steel, these screwdrivers ensure robustness and durability. The hardening treatment and manganese phosphate surface treatment applied to the tips enhance their longevity and reliability. Boasting industrial-grade quality, these tools are suitable for both professional tasks and home DIY projects. The insulated material ensures user safety, making these screwdrivers ideal for a broad range of electrical applications, guaranteeing a secure and durable option for both professionals and do-it-yourself enthusiasts. The Hurricane 1000-volt insulated electrician screwdriver set stands as a trustworthy, certified, and resilient solution for electrical tasks.
Number 6. The Klein Tools Professional Tube Cutter, priced at $38.60, is a precision tool catering to accurate cutting needs across various industries. Featuring an accurate 4-roller tracking system, it ensures precise cuts without spiraling, essential for achieving accurate results. Specifically designed for professional use, this tool offers efficient and precise reaming, serving industries that demand high precision. Its added convenience lies in the provision of an extra cutting wheel, enabling swift and simple replacement, ensuring uninterrupted workflow. Maintenance is straightforward with easy access to the cutting wheel by removing the back screw and opening the handle. The 4-roller tracking system guarantees consistent and dependable performance, vital for industries where precision is critical. Versatile and adaptable, this tube cutter is suitable for various reaming tasks in plumbing, electrical, and other industries, presenting a reliable solution for accurate cutting needs. Number 7. The Toenail Clippers Kit, priced at $19.99, is a versatile set of nail care tools designed to address a range of nail-related needs. It comprises heavy-duty toenail clippers, a 16mm wide jaw-opening toenail clipper, a 360-degree rotating nail clipper, a nail file, and a nail cuticle fork. The toenail clippers feature a new 25-degree sharp curved blade with a rubber handle for comfortable use, making them especially suitable for thick and ingrown nails. The 16mm wide jaw-opening toenail clippers are equipped with double-curved stainless steel blades and a robust, concave wide jaw, making them effective for trimming nails of varying hardness, catering to different users, including men, the elderly, pets, and athletes. The 360-degree rotating nail clippers are a standout feature, allowing flexibility in finding a comfortable cutting angle, making them particularly useful for individuals with limited flexibility, strength, or specific medical conditions such as diabetes or arthritis. This comprehensive kit offers a well-rounded solution for various nail care requirements, combining comfort, precision, and ease of use. Number 8. The Aries 1/4-inch drive 90-tooth mini swivel head hex bit ratchet, priced at $19.58, is a versatile tool designed for compatibility with standard 1/4-inch hex bits. Constructed with durable chrome moly steel, it features a rust-resistant anodized finish coating on the head, ensuring longevity. The knurled handle offers a firm grip, while the lightweight black anodized aluminum handle provides comfort for extended usage. This ratchet's standout feature is its 250-degree swivel head, allowing enhanced access in tight and complex spaces, such as cramped engine compartments. Operating on a 90-tooth ratcheting mechanism requiring a mere 4-degree swing arc, it offers smooth and efficient operation. Moreover, the ratchet head incorporates a strong magnetic insert, bolstering bit retention and reducing the risk of bits falling into cluttered areas. The Aries swivel head hex bit ratchet excels in facilitating improved accessibility and precision in confined working environments. Number 9. The Worth Garden stand-up weeding tool, priced at $21.99, is a 34-inch manual weeder designed for back-friendly weed removal. Featuring a 5-claw design, it penetrates various soil types effortlessly, aided by a foot pedal for added force. Crafted from durable, rust-resistant steel and a foam-padded handle, it ensures long-lasting use and comfortable gripping. This tool facilitates weed removal without bending or kneeling, offering an ergonomic solution for gardeners, effectively eliminating weeds, including their roots. Its user-friendly design and durable build make it an efficient and enduring choice for those seeking a comfortable and effective solution for weed removal in their gardening tasks. Number 10. Priced at $259, the 10-inch 2-direction variable speed compact water-cooled sharpening system offers precise sharpening with a 9,300 RPM variable speed motor. Featuring a 10-inch 220-grit aluminum oxide sharpening wheel and an 8-inch leather stropping wheel, it efficiently polishes tools while the water tray prevents overheating and residue buildup. The system includes a universal jig for consistent cutting angles and a reverse switch for versatile tool sharpening, accommodating blades, chisels, and more. Ideal for woodworkers, knife makers, and craftsmen, this system ensures precise sharpening and cooling action, providing a comprehensive solution for various tool sharpening needs. Number 11. Priced at $79.99, the Z-Tour 15-piece adjustable ratchet wrench kit is a versatile essential for home repairs, featuring 9 hex and 4 socket head sizes. Its extended reach and adjustable ratcheting head effortlessly navigate tight spaces with 180-degree flexibility, ensuring precise repairs. Crafted from durable chrome vanadium steel, these wrenches offer a secure grip with a polished surface and arrive in a portable storage box. With stability and extended reach, these tools cater to home and professional tasks, ensuring a secure grip without slippage. Available in deadhead and adjustable head variations, this multifunctional kit serves automotive, mechanical, plumbing, and electrical repair needs, catering to a wide spectrum of home repair tasks. Number 12. Priced at $23.69, the ASA Tools CSB wire stripper and cutter is a versatile tool ideal for electrical work. It features specially designed teeth for effortless one-handed outer jacket removal. With an adjustable length stop 0.8 to 2.6 millimeters, AWG 10 to 20, it automatically adjusts for precise conductor cross-section work. Crafted from durable chrome molybdenum steel, the tool ensures longevity and rust resistance. Its ergonomic lever offers comfortable and labor-saving use. This tool is suitable for various electrical tasks, allowing easy and effective stripping of the most common wire sizes, making it a practical choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Number 13. Priced at $49.99, the YHEA 60-watt LED display soldering iron station kit offers a comprehensive solution for soldering tasks. Its rapid heating and broad temperature range from 194 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit, 90 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius, adhere to UL standard safety requirements. Featuring a soldering iron stand integrated with a mesh protector, it optimizes workspace while preventing inadvertent contact with the iron. The station's digital display in degree C and degree F, adjustable sleep mode timer, temperature calibration, and PID heat control technology make temperature adjustments intuitive and precise. This multifunctional kit includes 15 extras such as helping hands, various solder tips, lead-free solder, tweezers, and a user manual, ensuring efficient and safe soldering experiences for beginners and professionals alike. Number 14. Priced at $89.95, the Boss Hammer Boss Pod Titanium Nail Puller is a carpentry essential for professionals. Its revolutionary design aids in extracting nails in diverse situations, serving as a valuable addition to a carpenter's toolkit. Versatile and efficient, it hooks nail heads from 4 locations, functions at various angles, and incorporates a striking face, combining the capabilities of a mini sledgehammer, claw hammer, and nail puller. Compact at 9-inch in length, it's ideal for tight spaces and easily fits in a tool belt. The tool's innovative features, including a magnetic nail starter, offer more than a typical cat's paw nail puller, providing carpenters with continuous, efficient functionality. Number 15. Priced at $12.99, the Acromil 09185 plastic tote tool and supply cleaning caddy is a versatile, durable, and spacious solution measuring 18 3/8 inch by 13 7/8 inch by 9 inch. Ideal for various purposes including cleaning, medical, art supplies, tool organization, and more. Constructed from heavy-duty industrial material, it ensures lasting durability. The caddy's design includes 2 large pockets, 2 smaller compartments, and a comfortable grooved handle, facilitating easy transport of tools or supplies where needed. Its practicality and ease of cleaning make it an efficient choice for diverse uses in workshops, healthcare facilities, art studios, and other settings requiring organized supply management. Number 16. Priced at $34.99, the Swan Lake 232 pieces Ultimate Screwdriver Bit Set is a comprehensive selection designed for diverse tasks. Crafted from chrome vanadium steel, CRV, with a sandblasted finish, ensuring durability and increased corrosion resistance. The set includes various specialized bits such as Phillips, slotted flat, square, tri-wing, posy drive, spanner, torque, torque star, hex head, and tamper-proof torque star. It features a ratchet wrench, bits holder, quick bit release, extension bars, and more, catering to daily use needs. Each bit is marked for easy identification, and the sturdy case with labeled slots ensures organized storage and convenient portability. Featuring a magnetic extension drill holder and quick-release function, this set accommodates electric screwdrivers, hand drills, and pneumatic tools, providing adaptability across various applications.